kọ́ máa jèrè ọmọ wọn. Gbogbo abiyamọ iṣẹ́ tá a bá ń ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nípa ṣiṣẹ́ kẹ́yìn. Omijé ni abiyamọ fi ń gbìn lórí ọmọ. Iyì ibẹ̀ ni pé kọ́mọ rẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yìn wa. Èmi pásítọ̀ ni mí, prophet ni mí, for Islam la bí mi sí. Abdulwazi, màmá tó kú yìí, màmá mi ni wọ́n. Alhaji Alabi, orúkọ kan la jẹ́. He said, love, there's nothing love cannot do. This is not the time we begin to preach religion, because there is no religion in heaven. But love starts from this world. I want to tell you, mothers, take care of your children. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ náà, ẹ tọ́jú àwọn òbí yín. Ìyà tí àwa jẹ sẹ́yìn, èrè ẹ̀ làwa jẹ ń sìn. I want to tell you, ẹ má sáré eléré, kẹ́ bá má kàn lẹ́sẹ̀. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ti fẹ́ fi rẹ̀ hàn tipátipá, ayé hàn lè mọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ ká wò pé ìgbà kan la máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tọ́jú ìyá wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe láti ìsinyìí lọ. Pásọ̀ kan sọ fún ẹ pé ìyá ẹ̀ làjẹ́ kó má súnmọ́. Kí ló dé tí pásọ̀ yàn ní agbára láti pàjẹ́ yẹn? Àjẹ́ yẹn ò pa wá ní kékeré, bàtà wá dàgbà ló fẹ́ pa wá jẹ. Ó pé ẹ kó ṣe síta, kó ṣe sí ìyàwó ẹ̀, kó ṣe fẹ́ bí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ju ìyá ẹ̀ lọ. Ọjọ́ alẹ́ ẹ̀ kọ́ ní gbogbo nǹkan. Bíbélì kan sọ pé bọ̀wọ̀ fún ìyá rẹ̀ àti bàbá rẹ̀ kọjọ́ ayé ẹ̀ kó lè pẹ́. Pásọ̀ sọ fún ẹ pé kó má fún ìyá ẹ lówó kó mú wá church, ìwọ lọ dẹ̀ tó dáa jù láyé. And gbogbo ìrìn àjò tá a bá rìn láyé ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé à ń lọ síbi kan ni. Ìrìn àjò tá a bá rìn láyé àárín la wà, àwọn kan wà wájú, àwọn kan wà lẹ́yìn. Má fi ìgbéraga ṣòǹkó torí pé ibi tó délé ni làwọn kan mọ̀, àwọn tó máa jù ẹ lọ wọ́n ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn. I want to use this to encourage Nigerians. Youth, let us come together. Let us love ourselves. Let us be purpose-driven. And don't get distracted about what is going on in this country. I am here not because I'm a pastor. I'm here because I'm here to be with my brother, be with my friend. I'm here because my own biological mom is alive. But this woman really brought all of us together. Many people will not know how this woman was actually there to me. When I came in this morning, I said, okay, that's for me. I am principled. I am lion-hearted. I am purpose-driven. And I'm a preacher of love. What am I trying to tell you? Don't wait for people to encourage you before you take care of your mother. Don't wait for people to encourage you before you be a blessing to your mother. Remember the day you came to the world. Before you came to the world, what she went through and how she's been able to take care of you. I'm not saying you shouldn't take care of other people, but take care of your mom. I didn't go to school. Our yesterday, I mean, we don't want to flashback, but we have to keep moving.